administrative procedure has to be so strict
No,
that
but
the
this is
courts
NSA.
lean in favor of release. Normally when you go in such matters, they normally get
पूण
released.
एक सांग आमची ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज डिमांड करता मरे NSA लाया म्हणून जेन्ना फाटल्या वेळा हो इशू आयलो तेन्ना फाटल्या वेळा जेन्ना रामा काणकोणकर इशू आयलो तेन्ना आमचे काही ऑपोजिशन लिडरांनी मागले मरे
See, opposition leaderan मागले अशें म्हणून ते सारखे जायना न्हू. See, they have
Yes, they can't be justified.
they can't be
then-
justified.
but then-
no, that is the reason.
but then
Maybe that is the reason. Maybe they are quiet today.
Correct.
They
Yes.
don't know. They don't know what to do.
Because they have not understood तेंचो अभ्यास तितलो ना
हो.
हेजे ह्या विशयाचेर की ते तेंकां दिसता तेंकांय पॉप्युलर जावपाक जाय
हय,
सो NSA लाया
Because normally what they do, once a crime is committed, they will tell us that I will send him to jail. No, he will be finally put to death in say rape and
Correct.
death. They will put to death. But it has got through a legal process.
करेक्ट